boys and girls. It's Miss Murphy. Good morning. Today is Work Hard Wednesday. Let's get ready by warming up our bodies. Stand up and sing along with me.
You guys ready? Let's do it. Clap your hands. The alphabet, take it. ABC, take it. Help you move, so get up and dance with me. A, B, sounds like a ball. C, like a push station and do the crab crawl. D, like a down. E, elbows out. F, fingers flat and flutter up down. Move your body to the letters. That's what you do. It's the ABCs are moving you. G, line one. H, count twice. I, start to shiver like you're covered in ice. J, everybody jump. K, yeah. L, relax, shake it everywhere. Move your body to the letters, you know it's true. It's the ABCs are moving you. M, make a muscle. N, give a nod. O, like an octopus, it's not that hard. Take it out now. P, Q, quiver, R, run, S. So many letters in the alphabet. Right. U's for usher. D, hit the violin. W, we gonna get it. Okay, that's enough. X, make an X. Y, yeah, man. Z, turn around, girl. Soup is the best. Pull to all my letters and now with you. ABCs are moving you. Yeah. ABCs are moving you.
Good job. Thanks for warming up with me. Let's make sure we're ready for learning. Today we will do a lot of turn and talks with our partners. That's great. I hope when I say turn and talk, I can see you turn and tell your neighbor. But then I will say, give me 5. That's right. When I say give me 5, put your hand up like this. It means that your eyes are watching, your ears are listening, your mouths are closed, your bodies are still, and your hearts are open and ready for learning. Today, the only materials you will need is your turn and talk partner. So if you don't have them nearby, go find them right now. Great. Let's warm up by practicing different parts of a book. So find your turn and talk partner, and I want you to look here at this big green word. Think in your head, what part of the book is that? Turn and tell your neighbor. That's right. I heard you say that was the title. Can you say title? Good job. Miss Murphy is going to move this black rectangle to reveal that it says title. Now we can see who wrote the book. Think in your head, who writes the words in the book? Good. Now turn and tell your neighbor, who writes the words in the book? That's right. I heard you say the author. Can you say author? Good job. Now, I want you to think about the front of the book. What is that part of the book called? Turn and tell your neighbor, what is the front of the book called? Good. I heard SB in London say it's the front cover. Can everyone else say front cover? Great job. Now, this arrow is pointing to the person who drew the pictures in the book. Think about who draws the pictures. What's that person's job? I see a lot of light bulbs flashing. Turn and tell your neighbor, who draws the pictures in the book? Good. I heard Ethan and Oscar say illustrator. Can the rest of us say illustrator? Awesome. The illustrator drew the pictures in the book. Now we see something up here. We flip those when we're reading. What are they called? Turn and tell your neighbor. I heard Pwa and Karen say pages. Can the rest of you say pages? Remember, when you read a book, you turn the pages. We've already talked about the front cover. What is this part of the book called? Turn and tell your neighbor. Wow, you guys are really trying your best. I heard you say the back cover. The back cover is on the back of the book. It tells you that you're done reading. Now let's put down our turn and talk partner and read our objective. Repeat after me. Say, I can identify text features by circling parts of a nonfiction book. Good. That's our kindergarten reading nonfiction standard 3.1. Today, boys and girls, you're really going to focus on your listening. Can you point to what helps you listen? That's right. I see you pointing to your ears. Do you see my picture of my ears? Good. Today, you have to listen carefully to focus on the different features of the book. Let's look back and listen. A few weeks ago, even before Thanksgiving and fall break, we read about being fit. Thumbs up if you remember this book. Good. In this book, there is a table of contents. Can you say table of contents? Awesome. The table of contents tells you what page to find different sections on or different parts of the book. For example, do you see this number? Good. That says 5. It means I can go to page 5 to find fit and active. Let's make this small so Miss Murphy can move my circle. I'm going to move my circle over the table of contents. That's the label. It says table of contents. Then if I want to find page 17, I'm going to circle it. 17. That's where I can find how to be or why we should be fit. Good. Now, we practiced this a few weeks ago, finding the heading. I remember that the heading are the big words on the page. They tell you what that part of the book is about. I'm going to search right now for the big words on this page. I see a picture over here, but I don't see any big words there. I see a lot of words on this page. Some are really big, some are middle-sized, and some are really tiny. But I'm looking for the heading. That's the big words. So Miss Murphy's going to search. I found them. The big words are up at the top in blue. I'm going to circle the heading. Do you agree with Miss Murphy? Are those the big words on the page? I see a lot of thumbs up. Now I'm going to find the glossary. The glossary is where you can find some vocab words. So the glossary is normally in the back of the book. In a glossary, the important vocab words are going to be black or bold. I'm going to search for the important vocab words. I see a lot of words. I see big words, but I also see black words that are bold. Those are the vocab words found in the glossary. I'm going to move my circle to circle the glossary. There we go. The vocab words in this glossary are calories, flexible, proteins, and grains. If I want to know more, I read what it says. Now let's try one together. Let's look at this book, Schools Around the World. We read this book near the very beginning of the school year. We're going to search for different text features in this book. Okay, let's search for a page number. I want you to find your Turn and Talk partner. We are looking for a page number in the table of contents. Do you see a number? Let's search for the number 6. Can you say 6? Good. Let me pull you in close so you can see even better. Very good. Do you see the number 6? Turn and tell your neighbor what number you see. I see the number 6. Wow, I heard lots of boys and girls say they found the number 6. I'm going to take my circle and circle the number 6. Thumbs up if we found the number 6. Good, I see a lot of thumbs up. Let's move on. This time we have to find the heading. First, let's look at the page. Do you see the heading? The words that are big. Remember, the heading will be on the page. I see a lot of light bulbs going off. You see the heading or the big words on the page that tell you what that page is about. Turn and tell your neighbor where you see the heading. Wow, give me 5. I heard Naomi and Drew say they found the heading at the top of the page. Use your finger and point to the heading. Very good. I see lots of boys and girls pointing to these big words at the top of the page. Now let's circle those big words. We'll take this big circle and circle the big words. That tells me that this page is about different kinds of schools. Let's move on. Now we are going to look for the word country. Can you say country? So this is our picture glossary. Do you see the word country? What sound would you hear first in the word country? That's right, I heard lots of k. Turn and tell your neighbor where you see the word country. Good, give me 5. I heard my friend Christy say she found the word country up at the top. Can you point to this word country with me? Awesome. Now we will move this pink circle over the word country. Let's make it small so we can move it. There we go. We circled the word country. Let's review our objective now. Remember, our job is to identify text features by circling parts of the text. We focused a lot today on the table of contents, the glossary, and headings. Now it's going to be your turn. Remember, we're really focusing on listening so we know what to circle. Because how will you know what to do if you don't listen first? That's right, you won't. Okay, now it's your turn, boys and girls. You're going to circle the text features on each page with a yellow star. So I'm going to send you this page with a yellow star on it. You will circle it by clicking and dragging on the circle, just like I did. Okay, first you will circle the page number on the table of contents. I want you to circle the page 4. Can you say 4? Good. First look. Then after the video is done, you will click on the gray box to find this page. You'll take this pink circle to circle the page 4. Good. Then you will circle the heading. Say heading. Good. Remember, the heading is the big words on the page. You'll take this pink circle to circle the heading. Finally, you will circle the picture that shows the word rest. Say rest. Good. You'll take this pink circle, touch it once, and circle the word rest. Let's double check. How will we know we learned this today? First, for our first star, you can circle a page number on the table of contents. So make sure you circle a page number. Then you can circle the heading on a page. Make sure you circle the heading, the big words. Finally, you can circle a picture in the picture glossary. For example, if I said circle the apple, you would circle an apple. Okay, let's double check if we did our objective. Find your turn and talk partner. Which parts of the book did we learn about today? Thinking first. Did we learn about the front cover? No, we just reviewed the front cover. Did we learn about headings? Yeah. Did we learn about table of contents? Check. Did we learn about glossaries? Yeah. Turn and tell your neighbor. Say, I learned about glossaries and table of contents and headings. How do you think those different text features will help us as we're reading? Maybe tell someone at home, how will those different text features help you as you read? Okay, boys and girls, we're all done for today. Go ahead and kiss your brain. See you next time.